every bottle begins far from the factory floor, at the source of flavor itself.
These small fish carry the deep umami at the heart of Worcestershire sauce. Freshness is preserved within minutes of harvest. Balance comes from tamarind, grown under patient tropical suns.
Sweet and sour notes are carefully gathered by hand.
Natural sugars will later soften the saucer's intensity. From cane to concentrate, sweetness is refined.
Salt, the silent preserver, is drawn from sea and sun.
Measured and pure, it prepares ingredients for time.
Spices bring complexity, grown across diverse soils. Only the cleanest aromatics move forward.
Separate origins now converge toward a single purpose. The journey continues, carrying raw flavor toward transformation.
From field and sea, ingredients begin their controlled journey inland.
Temperature and time are carefully managed in transit. Dry ingredients move under protection from the elements. Agriculture gives way to industry. Strict controls protect what happens inside.
Every arrival is logged and directed.
Quantities are verified before a single pallet moves.
Precision begins before unloading.
The cold chain remains unbroken. Different ingredients, different handling paths.
The factory opens its doors to raw material.
The process officially begins.
Here, everything waits its turn. Before ingredients move, people prepare first.
Sea harvests face their first inspection.
Salt water and impurities are gently washed away.
Human eyes still guard flavor integrity.
Sweetness is refined by touch.
Only clean extract moves forward.
Aromatics. Aromatics join the flow.
Air replaces hands at industrial scale.
Technology reinforces consistency. Even salt must meet specification.
All elements now speak the same language.
Only approved ingredients advance.
Preparation ends where transformation begins. This is where raw ingredients surrender to time and science. Umami is released through controlled breakdown. Sweet acidity is drawn out with precision.
Aromatics deepen through mechanical force.
Distinct voices merge into one.
Balance is engineered, not guessed.
Movement begins the long conversation of flavor.
Now, patience takes over.
Conditions are guarded day and night.
Weeks pass without disturbance.
Flavor is monitored, never rushed.
Texture gives way to clarity. Depth is earned through restraint. When time has done its work, the sauce moves on. Clarity is refined at the micron level. Rough edges are quietly smoothed.
Balance is confirmed, not assumed. Consistency is protected batch by batch.
Stability without compromise. Temperature shifts are swift and precise.
The recipe is complete.
Every parameter must agree.
Proof is archived.
The sauce approaches its final form. Packaging awaits.
Preparation gives way to precision. Automation sets the rhythm. Every vessel is purified before filling. Precision replaces chance.
Thousands of checks per minute.
Even closures are choreographed. Sealed for consistency.
Nothing escapes inspection.
Perfection is enforced silently. Identity is applied. Exhibit read for third restore.
Traceability is permanent.
Speed meets care.
order at scale. The sauce leaves automation behind. Now finished, the product enters its holding phase.
Space is used with engineered efficiency.
Every case is digitally accounted for.
Demand determines movement. The right product at the right time.
Human assurance completes automation.
Protection for the journey ahead.
The world is the destination.
Paperwork clears the path.
Departure points open.
Handled once more with care.
Ready for distance.
The finished product begins its final journey.
Even finished products face one final test.
Samples are chosen without warning.
Integrity is preserved even during testing.
Appearance reveals balance. Texture confirms process control.
Acidity is carefully balanced. The nose still matters.
Safety is verified beyond sight.
Time reveals what haste cannot.
Standards are non-negotiable.
Cleared for the world. Quality rejoins momentum.
The final chapter approaches.
The factory prepares its output for the outside world.
Every bottle knows where it's going.
Documentation is as critical as the product itself. Conditions remain controlled until departure.
Timing governs everything.
Logistics meets precision. Safety is confirmed before loading.
Thousands of bottles move as one.
Stability ensures safe travel.
Once sealed, nothing changes.
Responsibility transfers.
The product leaves its place of origin. And the process begins again.
From factory gates, distribution scales up.
Global movement begins with clearance.
Scale defines modern logistics. Responsibility shifts once more.
Each unit waits its turn.
Data orchestrates movement.
Oceans replace highways.
Precision continues at sea. One recipe, many destinations. The same standards worldwide. Closer to the consumer. From raw ingredients to finished flavor. And this is how modern factories produce Worcestershire sauce from start to finish.